There is literally nothing on TV. Oh, hey everybody. Good thing I'm always prepared. And just so you don't think I was lying, um, there's literally nothing on TV. Okay, so hit the intro. Slime flipper, do sto math. All right. Hey everybody, hope y'all are doing well. Let's get started with today. Last week we talked about exponent properties. Today we're going to talk about a new exponent property, and that is when you have a negative exponent. So let's look at some notes. Negative exponents. A negative sign in the exponent causes the base to become its reciprocal. In other words, if there's a negative sign in the exponent, the base flips. So, example, if you have x to the negative 1 power, that negative tells me that this x is going to go to its reciprocal, which is 1 over x. But what happens to the exponent? Well, anything to the first power is 1. So I'm going to show you some other examples where you can really see what happens to the exponent. Technically, there's a 1 here, but let's look at some other examples. Okay. All right, so if we have 2 to the negative 3rd power, remember the very first thing we want to do is get rid of that negative, so we want to flip it. So you want to flip that 2 to the negative 3rd power to 1 over 2 to the 3rd power, or cubed. So notice the cubed stays with the base. It was a 2 cubed, it's still a 2 cubed, just the negative told us to flip it. So 1 over 2 cubed, 2 cubed is 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. 1/8 is your answer. So 2 to the 3rd power is 8. 2 to the negative 3rd power, 1/8. Notice there's no negative in this answer. There's not going to be a negative. Okay. Another example. I'm losing my mouth. Look like the guy on Home Improvement. All right. So 3 to the negative 2nd power would be, first thing we want to do is do the reciprocal of the 3. So that's 1 over 3. The squared stays with it. 3 squared we know is 9. The 1 stays on top. 3 to the negative 2nd power is 1/9. Okay? 3 squared is 9. 3 to the negative 2nd is 1/9. See what's happening there? It's flipping. Okay? And this is just a basic example just showing you x to the negative 5th power. We want that x to be 1 over x, and the 5 stays with it. So it's 1 over x to the 5th power. And then last but not least, what happens if that negative exponent is in the denominator already? So I want to cover that example. So if we have 1 over 3 to the negative 2nd power, again, what's being raised to a power here? That 3, not the 1/3, the 3. So we would do the reciprocal of the 3, which is 1/3. The squared stays with the 3. But in reality, when you do something divided by a fraction, remember you keep, change, flip, multiply, the denominator down here will actually end up top, which leaves us with 3 squared, which could be over 1. But you know, 3 squared over 1 is just 3 squared. And then 3 squared is 9. So Mr. Stowe, that got real confusing real fast. You did a lot of talking there. Yeah, so this is showing you why. All you really need to know is if there is a negative sign, this is going to go to the numerator now. If it's in the denominator, it goes to the numerator. If it's in the numerator, technically that's over 1, it goes to the denominator. So it flips. So 1 over 3 squared regularly would be 1/9, but 1 over 3 to the negative 2nd power, bloop, is 9. All right, I hope that helped. If you have any questions, comments, please comment and let me know. I'm here for you, whatever I can do to help you. And yeah, I think that is all we need to do today. Somebody hit the outro. Sign flip, Still math, still math, still math, still math. Yeah, so watch out for puddles, and I am going to see if I can figure out how to cut this TV on. Doesn't matter anyway, there's nothing on, but all right.